Hello everyone, welcome to Anvi Hearing. Today I'm going to talk about the link between untreated hearing loss and physical well-being. When we think about staying physically fit, we often focus on diet, exercise and regular health checkups. However, hearing is a crucial but usually neglected component of health. Untreated hearing loss doesn't just affect communication, it can have a serious impact on your overall physical well-being. The World Health Organization WHO estimates that over 430 million people around the world live with disabling hearing loss. Many of them do not receive the treatment or support they need, leading to a range of health risks beyond just poor hearing. The hidden dangers of ignoring hearing loss. Being able to hear is essential for maintaining our awareness of our environment. It alerts us to sounds like vehicles approaching, someone calling out, or even a doorbell ringing. When hearing starts to decline, awareness reduces, increasing the risk of accidents, especially in busy environments. Untreated hearing loss is linked to loss of coordination and balance can result in a higher fall risk, increased mental fatigue as the brain works harder to process unclear sounds, greater risk of social isolation, which can negatively impact mental and emotional health. Delayed reactions in potentially dangerous situations, such as while crossing a road or working in an active space. Hearing and balance, a surprising connection. Many people don't realize that our sense of balance is closely linked to hearing. The inner ear doesn't just detect sound, it also helps us stay upright. The brain must work harder to compensate when hearing deteriorates, which can lower attention and energy levels for stability and movement. This is especially concerning for older adults where falls and injuries can lead to long-term health complications. Taking action early can help reduce such risks significantly. How hearing aids improve physical well-being. Hearing aids nowadays are capable of much more than just amplifying sound. Brands like Signia now offer devices with 360-degree sound awareness for better alertness in changing environments, noise reduction and speech focus to reduce strain on the brain, Bluetooth connectivity and rechargeable batteries for convenience and comfort, motion sensing technology which adapts sound settings as you move. These features allow users to stay more engaged, move confidently and react quickly to changes in their environment, all of which contribute to better safety and independence. Don't wait. Take a step towards safer, healthier living. Untreated hearing loss isn't just an inconvenience, it can become a risk to your physical health. The good news is that assistance is readily accessible. At Anvi Hearing, our experienced audiologists offer free hearing tests, personalized guidance, and access to the latest hearing technology to keep you connected and safe. Protect your hearing, protect your health. Schedule your appointment today at www.anvihearing.com or call 9658395839.